I bike because I suffered mild stroke 5 years ago. But not just because I got sick. It's because I want to be cured. So before that, the doctor told me nga you should exercise. Then, di mo ko pwede magbasketball. Okay? Buwang naman punungay ko. So, the more di ko gusto running, kay sakit na akong mga tuhod. So, a friend of mine told me to bike. So, ako bike, I went to the surplus shop. So, I was able to buy my first bike 2 months after nagbalik-balik ko sa surplus shop. So, nag-bike ko. So, nagsigig bike, at the same time business. Karon kita ko gamay. Pero katong business, di gito mo'y ang purpose. Biking yun. So, nagsigig bike, and then nakasuod ko folding bike, na-enjoy ko. Kaya nakita na kong folding bike, cute ba? Pilo-pilo. So, nakita na kong ganahan mo ko. So, nag-bike ko. So, sige ko bike, naghanap ko kapalit ng folding bike, ay maligya ko ng ko, may mamalit. It just happens, naka-amigo kong taga Abagat, na hilig sa folding bike, so nag-join ko nila. Nagsige may great ride. Kailangan ay magayong if you're the only one bike. So, we're 5 in a group, pag-bike we went to Fuente, IT Park, and then every time we bike, we always have a name of our biking event. So, usually bike at night. So, one time, one of the editor of Sunstorm, kuyog na to. So, we went to a Batchoy shop. So, we call that ride as our Batchoy ride. A week after, usually mag-bike me every Friday man, we went to another food shop somewhere in Mabolo. So, we call it sa dugo ride kay dugo may kaon mo. So far, nagsige mig ride, Lumi, everything. November 28, 2010, nag-meeting mi na mag-organize mi grupo. So, na materialize tong grupo na mo nga Tindak Bisdak Cebu Folding Bike Society. So, during that time, I was elected as the Vice President. Ang among President na to si Alan Salazar from Abagat. So, sige mig ride. Enjoy na kayo. Sige mig ride na to. Then every Friday, sige mig asa mi mag-ride na yung pagkaon. Asa mi makuyog until such time na inganyo ko na if ever kabot at 50 mo sponsor ko o Puspas ride. So, mean to say, after the ride, makaka-Puspas sa diri sa mo. So, sige na itong ride. Sige na nga, 70, 80, so. Kung mga kumasayok, mga more than 3 years na nga mong Friday night ride. So, ang among mga bikers, sago-sago lang. May Batanon, may Tigulang, and others, daghan na kayo. So, nahimo na yun yung Cebu Folding Bike as one of the pioneers of night ride sa Cebu. Through biking, dahil ko na-learn. First, ako na-learn is how to bike properly. Before, di ko kibaw nga hinalan, di ba pas nagisukod sa bike. At tuo ko nga, you don't have to ride. One bike, ride na ka. Di sa bike, kailan discipline ka. So, another thing sa giganahan ko sa bike, kay nakita na ko, I saw a lot of bikers nga, especially families, nga naka-close sila maayon. Kay, biking is one activity where you can create more bonding with the family. Kay, nowadays, whether we like it or not, ang mga kids karon, as a friend of mine told me, na limpyo na kay ngatiin, sige na lang mag-computer. So, kining my biking, it's one activity nga magsintol yun ang mga bata. So, once pag-bike mo sa family, ibilin yun ng inyong mga gadgets, di pagdag laptop, mga smartphone, kay you have to concentrate yun. That's one thing, grabe yung bonding sa inyong family. So, yung mag-computer mo, dili maminaw yung mga bata. But with biking, so if you ride as a family, lamig kayo. Every time na nakita na sulti na ako nga, even me myself, I bike with my family, I have a set of friends na mo bike, then kaya yung comment nga, lamig yung tanaw. Okay, for non-bikers, I'll invite you to join us. Kay what say among nakuha nga kalipay sa biking, we wanted to share to you. Kay it's through biking nga daghan mi nakuha. This is one activity nga dili expensive but lasting kayo. Kay first, sa mapasulti na ko nimo, your health is your best asset. You have to take care